It's POTA day. Let's go load up the car. You want to go, Charlotte? Sure. Yeah, I can, would you just beat up your knees, or? Oh, yeah. I've been there. What's that?
You doing this for work?
No, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay. I know.
I mean, it's kind of like work.
Fun work.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you going to try to capture?
Ham radio. So specifically, what I'm out here doing, inside that box is a bunch of radios. This is one of the antennas that I have. And you come out to these locations that are state parks, and they do something called Parks on the Air, and you try to make as many contacts as you can in the period of time you're out here. It's contacts meaning like two-way communication over voice. I also have a computer that connects to it. So it's almost like wireless, wireless data. No, you use the radio. So amateur radio is a FCC licensed thing. You got to take a test to get licensed. And
ham radio, CB?
It's a similar concept, but a CB radio, anyone can use it, but it's channelized. You can only be on, I don't know. Yeah, there's limited access. With amateur radio, my frequency allocations is much, much bigger. So I can get on all kinds of different frequencies and operate on different bands, depending on the day-night cycle.
Who usually talks on that?
Oh, man. Tons of people. Like, there's all kinds of different aspects to it for just hanging out, talking with your friends kind of thing. And then there's emergency preparedness aspect to it. Not so much the military, because it's its own service. They have their own frequencies in use. Hello. Antenna. Videos like this. Yeah. On operating ham radio.
That reaches
everywhere. Yeah, and no power, no cell company, nothing like that. Just the radio. That's kind of the point of it, is that it's an off-grid yeah, we get called sometimes to support places like Puerto Rico recently when they had their hurricane. So stuff like that. Yeah, it's a lot of a hobby, but it's fun too. We have a lot of fun with it. It can sometimes, yeah.
Germany 5, Hotel Mexico. What's the last letter? Kilo Del 5, Hotel X-Ray Mexico, 59 Rhode Island.
What's that? Manny? Nice to meet you, Josh. Yeah, I'm gonna try and activate this park, is what they call it when you come out to make contacts like this. You do an activation, portable activation. I'm listening to these guys though, because I don't have all of them in my contacts yet.
Illinois, 59 Rhode Island.
Also, I'm gonna eat some food. I'm trying to try out backpacking food for a event that's coming up. So I get some Thai curry. Easy. November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo got you to 5'9" at kilo 1139.
Roger, you're a 5'5", South Carolina, 73, and have a good day.
QSL, thank you for the contact, 73.
Kilo 2, Mike Alpha Bravo.
QSL, the Mike Alpha Bravo, I got you at a 5'5" at kilo 1139.
Roger that, have you 5x6, Southwest Missouri, 73, have a great day.
Thank you very much for the contact, 73.
Alpha Delta 8, Foxtrot Delta.
Alpha Delta 8, Foxtrot, come again?
Foxtrot Delta, Alpha Delta 8, Foxtrot Delta.
Okay, got it. Alpha Delta 8, Foxtrot Delta. You are a 5'2" into kilo 1139.
Roger, you're about a 5'7" into Ohio, thanks, have fun.
QSL, thank you very much for the contact, 73.
CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November.
I was just trying to make coffee this whole time.
Kilo 1139. CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
I was trying to make coffee while trying to do this. Good thing the auto play and record works on the 7300 so well.
Zulu at Park Kilo 1139. CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
I also warmed up some Thai curry. Using the Hammers app just to make my life easy.
CQ POTA, Kilo Zulu.
Kilo Papa Tango, come again? November 4, Tango Papa Tango, you're a 5'9" into K 1139. QSL the 3434, got it. Thank you very much. 73 Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu. It makes it easy if you drag everything out into the field. In a nice little box. We also got some curry here that I'm going to enjoy. Oh, buddy. The guy's right on. What is he doing?
1139. CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Ooh, what a great idea bringing food. I'm going to rotate my antenna.
CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu at Park Kilo 1139. CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
There's an Alpha 3 station, is that correct? Come back. Alpha 3 station, come back again? Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. You're down in the dirt. I'm sorry. Let's try again later.
CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu at Park Kilo 1139. CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Is that Kilo 5 Hotel Alpha QSL? I got a 5 Hotel. Was that at least right? Well, I got a station like right on top of you. I'm not getting you. One more time with the call. A couple of times phonetically, please. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't make the copy. Let's try again in a little while. A couple of weak signals in there.
39. CQ POTA, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Kilo India 5, Lima Kilo Sierra.
Was that a Lima Kilo Sierra? Come back again?
Alpha Delta Zero, Quebec Charlie.
Okay, I'm not sure. I've got a couple of stations. Let's do the Alpha Delta Zero Quebec Charlie first. Was that an Alpha Delta Zero Quebec Charlie?
With all kinds of miserable QRM.
I'm getting the same. It's going to be a 5-6 both ways. 5-6 both ways. QSL?
Roger that. 73, thanks for the contact. Have a great day.
Looks like there's a net on this frequency. I'm going to QSY up 5. Thank you. So I had to move up the band or down the band. It looked like there was a net. I could barely hear them. They started up.
CQ POTA, Kilo India 6.
All right, so I've activated. I got 10 single sideband. And what was that, 30 minutes or so? So I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to get my laptop connected, and we're going to make a couple of digital contacts, and I think we'll call it a day. I'm gonna start cleaning up. That's why these bags are nice. You can just take all your trash out. Practice, leave no trace, no matter where you go. In a field or in a woods. It's good to do digital modes to wrap up your POTA, so you can just start taking down your camp here like this while you're doing digital. Make a couple extra contacts before you wrap it up. I do like this jet boil. I gotta say, this is a nice piece of kit for sure. Packs up. It's a little bigger than my other cook pot, but cooks way faster.